Okay, violas, this is Make a Joyful Noise. We're in the key of D major on this song, and we have some accented bows coming up, notice in measure 7 and 8. Okay, and that happens a couple times, and I think that they're trying to create a bell sound with this. So just imagine yourself hitting a nice set of chimes and getting that nice sharp attack and ring to that. And so we're going to be, we're going to be going a quicker bow, like that, with your vibrato. Okay, the rest of these rhythms I think are pretty familiar to all of us. And so I'm going to start here, practice speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3.